Hey, it's Chloe Demir, Save the Victorial. I just wanted to film a quick little update. So, Blend Bunny sent me the replacement palette for my Broken Surge palette. It was the one that came with 3 broken shades, and I want to report it came perfectly. She wrapped it so well. I mean, she wrapped it well the last time, but I guess not enough to take the kicking a postal service can occasionally give a package, but this time it came in perfect condition. I was so happy. I used every single color on this row here, the green row. I just couldn't resist. I was so happy. Look at how nice that neon makes an inner corner. So anyways, I just wanted to thank Blend Bunny for sending this to me so quickly, and yeah, it's in perfect shape. That's how to do it, small indie brands, like really standing behind your product. It's awesome, and it is an amazing product. I love it. I mean, look at this eye look. Alrighty, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick because in my video I did mention that and then showed the broken shades, but look at that color story. It's so beautiful. All right, that's it. Just quick and sweet update. If you wanted to give us a like, comment, and subscribe, that would be fantastic. Or maybe even hit that notification bell. If not, that's okay. We can still be friends, and we can still sing the praises of amazing customer service and amazing makeup brands. All right, that's it for me. Bye.